from our book page. The chapter is that data and its storage. Page number 12. Once you go through the chapter, a computer processes data to give an output. You know that how we get the output. We have to give at first data through our input devices, and then after it's processed, and after that we are getting the output. Data, as you know, can be a collection of words, numbers, etc. It can be in files containing numbers, text, pictures, music, videos, and so on. So we can keep the final data, means information that containing numbers, text, pictures, music, videos, and whatever, we keep it safely in a file. How is data represented in a computer? From where does the CPU get the data? CPU, you know, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Okay. So, from where does the CPU get the data? Where is the data stored? It's very important. We will learn about all this in the chapter. Okay, means the chapter related to data and its storage purpose. Next part is that how is data represented? A computer cannot understand our language. I already told you that computer can't understand our language. Only it knows that number 0 and 1. So, how does it read data and instructions? A computer works on electricity. Yes, because computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. That's why it's work on electricity, and it can detect if an electric signal is present or absent, or if a switch is on or off. Means I told you that if signal is going on, then it's switch on. If the signal is not going on, means without signal, absence of signal, it is called that off. The presence and absence of a signal or on and off can be represented by a system using 2 digits. Very important 2 digits, that 0 and 1. 0 and 1. For example, we can say that 0 stands for off and 1 stands for on. A system that uses 2 things is called a binary system. So binary system means that binary numbers 0 and 1. So 0 stands for off and 1 stands for on. These 2 commands you have to remember. It's very important for the binary system. So computer is an electronic device, and its work means with the presence of signal, it's indicate that on, and absence of signal, it's indicate that off, and that represent a system using 2 digits, that 0 and 1. These 2 numbers called binary numbers, and the full system is known as binary systems. All computer data is represented by numbers in the binary system. These numbers are made by the combination of the digits 0 and 1. Here the binary forms of some numbers. Like here you can see 2 columns. That left side columns, it mention that number, and right side column number in binary. So what is the difference between 2 columns? 2 columns, this number means that human number. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. These numbers we know, but computer knows this kind of numbers, means binary numbers. Suppose we know 0 and computer knows that 4 times 1 2 3 4 times 0. We know that 1 is a number and computer knows that 1 means computer knows 0001. Okay, again we know number 2, computer knows 0010. So like this way numbers are going. Like this way computer converts the number to the binary numbers.